Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Airbnb host account. So in order to do this, first of all, open your mobile phone, navigate to Play Store and search for Airbnb. Hit enter, then install the Airbnb application. Now, after installing the application, you'll have to just navigate to the application, open it, and you will see this page. So this is login or sign up to Airbnb. So we are going to sign up for an host account. I'm going to click on the country and region, and here you'll have to select your country. I'm going to select India. Now choose your phone number. So just type in your phone number and click on continue. Now you'll have to enter the code you will receive on your mobile phone. Now after entering the code, you'll be taken over to the finish signing up page. Here you'll have to type your first legal name, then the last name. Now enter your date of birth, enter your email. Now create a strong password. After creating the password, click on Agree and Continue button. You'll have to click on Agree and Continue again, and you'll be instantly signed up on the Airbnb account. Now after signing up on Airbnb, click on your profile icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now after clicking on your profile icon at the bottom, you will see the profile page where you'll have to scroll down and navigate to the hosting section. After this, click on List Your Space. You can also learn about hosting here or host an experience. You can click on Learn About Hosting, scroll down and see all these information about hosting your space. Now click on Plus Airbnb Setup at the bottom, and this will instantly download Airbnb host. So this successfully downloaded Airbnb host, click on Download in background. Now you can simply click on Airbnb your home or just click on List Your Space. Now you can see it's easy to get started on Airbnb. You'll have to just tell about your place, make it stand out, and finish up and publish. Click on Get Started button at the bottom. Now click on Next. Now choose which of these best describes your place. So I have a house, I will choose house, but we have different options like flat, apartment, barn, boat, cabin, castle, cave, dome, farm, hotel, and different options available. Just choose the one that you want to host and click on Next. After you click on Next, you can choose what type of place will the guests have. The entire place, a room, or a shared room in a hostel. So I'm going to choose an entire place and click on Next. Now, you'll have to enter your address on this place. So I'm going to choose Use my current location. Now, you'll have to choose your country region, flat, house, street address, nearby landmark, district, state, and the pin code. You can also choose to show your specific location if you want. Now after checking on this, you'll have to click on Looks Good. After you click on Looks Good, it will take you to this page. You can drag the map to reposition the pin and take it exactly to your location. After doing this, you can click on Next, and you can share some basics about your place, like how much guests can you have at your place, the number of bedrooms, beds, and bathrooms. Now click on Next. After doing this, you can click on the plus icon to increase the amount of any given data. For example, if your house can have more than 4 guests, you can click on the plus icon and it will be 5. If your house has no bedrooms, you can take it to 0. Now after setting this, click on Next, and on step 2, you can make your place stand out. So in this step, you'll have to add some of the amenities your place offers, plus 5 more photos. Then you will create a title and description. So click on Next and tell guests what your place has to offer. So the place I'm hosting has a Wi-Fi, TV, kitchen, washing machine, air conditioning, and if you have an standout amenities like hot tub, pool, BBQ grill, indoor fireplace, piano, exercise equipment, and do you have any of these safety items like a smoke alarm, first aid kit, just choose them and click on Next. Now add some photos of your house. So for example, I'm going to add some stock images. So you'll have to add at least 5 photos. Click on Add More, click on Upload from your device. So for example purposes, I'm going to add these 5 photos and click on Upload. This is not a picture of my house, but I'm just adding them. Now I will click on Next. Now you'll have to give your house a title. Short titles works best. You can always change it later. So I'm going to add something like Fun Place and click on Next. Now describe your house, whether it's peaceful, unique, family friendly, stylish, spacious, or central. I'm going to choose family friendly and click on Next. Now you can create a descriptions, share what makes your place special. reconnect with loved ones in this family-friendly phase. So you can type in any kind of description you want and click on next. Now, finish up and publish. Click on next and choose booking settings and set up pricing and publish your listing. After you click on next, you'll have to approve your first 5 bookings. Or you can also choose use instant book. Let guests book automatically. Now I will click on next and you can choose who to welcome for your first reservation. Any Airbnb guest or an experienced Airbnb guest. So I will choose any Airbnb guest and click on next. Now set a weekly base price for your house. You can click on the edit icon and add any kind of pricing you want. I'm going to just go with this. I will click on next. Now you can set a weekend price. You can add a premium for Fridays and Saturdays too, like 23 or 22% increase, and click on next. Now you can add discounts. Last minute discount, weekly discount, monthly discount, and new listing promotion. You can help your place stand out and get booked faster and earn your first reviews by giving exclusive discounts. So I'm going to choose all of these. If you don't want any one of them to be included with your house, just deselect one and click on next. After you click on next, you'll have to share safety details. After you do this, click on create listing at the bottom and you can see you can click on create a new listing and get started again. But we have already registered our place. So we'll click on the exit button at the top and click on finish up. Now when you click on finish up, it will show up this page. Key details to take care of. You'll have to verify your identity here. Click on required, verify your identity. You can click on add an ID and add your country. You can add your driving license, passport or ID card and click on continue. Then take the picture of your ID card. So make sure you verify your identity. After you do this, you would have successfully listed and signed up for the Airbnb host account. So that was the simple way to set up an Airbnb host account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.